Marie cooking.
Hello everyone! Today we're gonna cook instant dough cherry pie. Let's start. In the bowl add semolina 1 cup, sugar 1 cup, and flour 1 cup, cacao 2 tablespoons, vanillin 1 gram, salt a pinch, baking powder 1 tablespoon. Combine everything. For baking this pie you can use a form with diameter 20 to 25 centimeters. Line the bottom of form with parchment. Take 200 grams of butter. Grate half of the butter on the bottom of the form. Scatter half of the dry mixture on the butter. Then lay out all of the cherries. Scatter another half of the dry mixture. Level the surface of the pie. Grate the remaining butter on the top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius 50 minutes. The cherry pie is ready. The easiest cherry pie to cook. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and push the like button. Bon appetit!